Blending is the basic of nature and life. This method is essential for any kind of food and pharma industry. Compact and precise, the vertical ribbon blender is recommended where we need faster blending in small batches, product development, research and lab use. Raw material from bottom of vessel is lifted up and down by rotary movement of spiral ribbons to achieve accurate and uniform mixing. Feed guard grill ensures operator safety while material feeding. The vertical blender shown here has a 5 kg product capacity and is powered by a 3-phase 0.25 HP main motor for smooth, stable performance. Turbine provided brake lumps formed during solid with liquid blending. All material contact parts are in 304 grade stainless steel for hygiene and reliability. We manufacture vertical blenders in the capacity range 10 kg to 250 kg per batch. Vertical blenders find application in food, spices and chemical industry. Easy to operate and clean makes it suitable for regular lab use.